The rupee has hit a new record low for the fourth time in 9 days. The rupee has weakened to a fresh low of $77.58, 77.58. The rupee has lost over 4% of its value since January. The rupee has slumped as foreigners have been exiting Indian markets. A record $20.7 billion of foreign funds have been pulled out this year. There are more expensive imports, competitive exports. So that's what the situation is presently.
Hello and welcome. The rupee has hit a new record, and this is the fourth record low in the last 9 days. Rupee has weakened to a fresh low of 77.58 rupees per dollar, and with this, the rupee has lost over 4% of its value since the month of January. Now, why is this happening now? The rupee is weakening as foreigners exit Indian markets. Amid uncertainty, foreigners pull out funds of emerging markets such as India and take back their money to developed and safe countries such as the United States. So that's pulling out foreign funds from India, driving the rupee further down. In fact, we've seen a record 20.7 billion foreign funds being pulled out just this year, and that's one of the reasons that's driving the rupee down. Now, what does this mean for you? This means more expensive imports. Everything we import will now get more expensive as we now have to pay more in rupee terms, which could translate into further inflation. Remember, inflation has been driven by Brent crude prices going up, and with us being required to pay more in terms of rupee, it will also translate into higher prices back at home. But the upside is that Indian exports get more competitive as foreigners now have to pay less in terms of their currency for Indian products. So that's a big news today, that the rupee has slumped to an all-time low again.